Hello guys, let's discuss this problem on probability, which says question number 5 of exercise 14.2, you were asked to prepare a frequency distribution table regarding the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million of a certain city for 30 days. If you remember, I have already drawn this table for you in statistics. Using this table, find the probability of the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the interval of 0.12 to 0.16 on any of these days. So first what you will do, you should look for the table. What was the table for the concentration of sulfur dioxide? So here this is the table for you. This column is for concentration of sulfur dioxide which are lying in the range of 0.00 to 0.04, 0.04 to 0.08 and goes till 0.20 to 0.24. This column is for the number of entries in the interval of this, and these are the number of days on which concentration of sulfur dioxide was lying in the interval of 0.00 to 0.04. So here you have been asked to consider the interval of 0.12 to 0.16, and you can see here only on two number of days the concentration of sulfur dioxide was lying in the interval of 0.12 to 0.16, and what was the concentration? Concentration was 0.12 to 0.13. So here, how would you calculate the probability of concentration of sulfur dioxide? Let's see. Concentration of sulfur dioxide in the interval of this, you can see that it was 0.12 to 0.13 only on 2 days. Total number of days were 30. And how to calculate the probability? Probability is number of ways an event can occur divided by total number of ways. So you know that in the interval of 0.12 to 0.16, only on 2 days the concentration of sulfur dioxide was lying on those days. So the number of ways that event can occur was 2 and total number of days are 30. So the probability in this case would be 2 by 30, and which is further reducible to 1 by 15. So this is the probability in this case. I hope there should be no doubt here. I will be discussing more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.